How to fix if your YouTube is loading really slow. Now in this case, first of all, I would suggest you to check your internet connection speed, and if it is because the internet connection, you should consider contacting your ISP or internet service provider and tell them to fix the issue. Otherwise, if your internet is working fine but still your YouTube is not loading fast or loading really slow, in that case you should consider reducing the quality of the video by a little bit. If you go over the advanced setting for YouTube quality, if your video is set to 1080, 720 or even higher, you should consider it reducing to 480p or 360p or 720p if you are really too high in the quality. And by doing this, your slow loading or the buffering might get fixed, and if it still doesn't fix your issue, you should consider uninstalling and reinstalling the YouTube, and it might work. I hope this video was informative to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.